looks as beautiful to normal people. Let's find a bush to pee in, you know what I'm saying?
Like the best bushes.
The best bushes. Like when every time I go like this, I get like chunks of hair.
Shedding.
Yeah.
Shedding your winter coat.
Maybe, is that what it is?
I don't know.
Oh.
No, that's what dogs do.
Yeah. Get these purple flowers.
They're beautiful.
Yesterday, my coworker opened up like an IV bag. I was like, okay, hold this. But it was open, and I had to like fight my impulsive thoughts to fucking squeeze the shit out of it. Like, she was like, okay, hold this. I just gotta prime this line. So she was like priming the tubing, and I was holding the thing, and I was like, oh, if I squeeze this, I can fucking like everywhere. And I was like, you know, I just like, that was like a good pat on the back for me right there. Like, to not squeeze the fuck out of it. Then I had another impulsive thought that day too. And it was when like a patient comes back from a test or something, they'll page overhead like, room 6 is back, room 6 is back. And then, so I was standing there and Deb was about to page overhead, and I had to fight the impulse to take it from her and scream into the front. I'm gonna pee over here, guys. I gotta pee.
Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Would you be my cranberry?
Look at like the pretty, like through the trees.
Oh.
I love that. Someone, oh, there's a butterfly. A yellow one. Aww.
Good swamp flowers.
Yeah. Look at them.
Let us know what kind of flowers these are.
Yeah. This one. Oh, are you recording still? Look, it looks crazy big in this. Bye. I'm surprised this isn't where I tried to smoke weed all the time.
Right. I feel like we never came here.
No, I would go to that one tree over there and climb it. There's so many entrances.
Share stuff on legs if we're here home.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Hang on. I got it. 1 second.
Show the GoPro.
Huh?
Are you showing the GoPro?
I was, but then I got really into it and was aiming just at the back of your head.
Cool.
I know.
We're so blessed to experience things like this.
Yes. Oh. Say hi.
Try to chug this.
Okay. Look at all the trees. Kind of creepy. Creeping me out a little. No, the trees. Kitten reveal. Kitten. Get down.
Frankenstein.
Kitten. Frankenstein. Luigi.
Robert.
Robert.
Malingus.
Malingus. Mashallah. Mashallah.
Tika.
Salam.
Let's make him.
Sal Tika. Mashallah.
Santana. Let's name him Santana.
Santo. What's the name of people in Santana? Diego?
What is it? Eddie's? What's Santana's
What's his
first
name? Eddie Vedder?
No, I'm thinking Eddie Van Halen.
Who's Eddie Vedder?
Carlos.
Yeah, Carlos. I was close.
Let's name the cat Diego.
Okay. Diego is short for Luigi.
Diego is Spanish for Luigi.
Is it? What is the English name for Luigi?
Luigi.
Do you think maybe it's like Leonard or like Larry?
Lenny.
Nard. Not video evidence of me loving and kissing on a kitten. Luigi!
Oh, I have to take a picture of a sticker I got at work. But it's like a
I have to show my goat.
water bottle.
Oh, he likes this one.
Yellow.
Can cats see colors?
I am unsure. Probably not. I have a lot of them. I don't know if you want to show them all.
I just thought I wanted to show the other one. The new one you were just talking about.
Oh, it's on my locker at work.
Oh.
But it's like a Halloween one.
Okay. I'm getting sick of this now.
You gonna need a lid for that? Yeah. Oh, here's a cute one.
Aw.
Cute.
Cute, like a kitten.
Here's a pen.
Let him sniff it. He needs to know. And now you're just doing a purse unboxing. Say bye-bye, kitten. Bye-bye. I'll only be this tiny for so many minutes. Yeah, because we're surrounded by lakes. We're in Michigan. I should have got another chair for my legs.
Land of the Lakes. Lando Lakes podcast.
I think that's actually... Yeah, and you're the Indian lady on the front.
On the butter, yeah.
I think that actually Minnesota is the land of the lakes. I remember correctly.
Minnesota, eh?
Yeah, they have like 10,000 more lakes.
Literally Winter Wonderland. Is that what the license plate says?
Yeah, or Water Wonderland or something.
In the city.
Okay, well, give it to me then.
It's a journey. We see Journey in like a week.
Yeah.
10 days or something like that.
So, what's the move now? Back to Facebook dating?
I mean, I'm already on Facebook dating and other apps.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not gonna change anything I'm doing.
Okay.
Because it didn't feel right. I don't even want to text him right now.
You do want to text him?
I don't.
Oh.
And when I left, I was like, he was asleep. And I woke him up, I'm like, are you hungry? He's like, I'm starving. I'm like, let's go get food then. He's like, oh, I don't have money till Wednesday.
Oh my God.
I'm like, oh, okay, I'm going to leave. and go swimming with Abby and get food then.
Yeah.
Because I'm not paying for your ass.
Right. Okay, I'm leaving. Bye.
I've already sent.
Look at this butterfly.
Oh,
It's like, I wonder if it was on camera.
it was a monarch.
Oh my god. Oh, that's probably from the chair. Right? That's not a bruise.
The black stuff is from the chair. It's all on the back of your leg. Talk about how disappointing the fireworks were.
Yeah.
All we talk about is what we're disappointed in.
I know.
That's our theme.
What was I doing? That can be the name of our podcast. Disappointments.
Disappointed
The
101.
disappointments.
Zoe 101.
And all we talk about is being disappointed. He's spoiled.
We could talk about this dent in my leg from when I pooped
Shut
and
up.
I sit on my phone. You see it?
Yep.
You feel it, nurse?
Yeah. Katrina.
What?
That's crazy.
Doesn't hurt.
Obviously.
Yo. It was covered
Should I
in
put on
soot.
my face?
No.
It was the 4th of July. We ate food. White people.
Yeah,
Food.
Abby's dad made fajitas.
It was cute. He did a good
It was
job.
wonderful. The steak was overcooked. The
Oh,
chicken
naturally.
was dry. The
Yeah.
pork was good.
The pork was good.
I enjoyed it though. I went home and I simmered it in green salsa.
Yum.
And the chicken fell apart.
Nice.
The steak stayed very firm.
Yeah.
Told me I look skinny. There's that. I was like, let me get
Yeah,
McDonald's. Let me fucking eat a ton of McDonald's. Do you want to take meclizine first?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
Yeah. Let's groove tonight. Shine a shine, shine light.
I watched the Michael Jackson.
Look at my ass.
Oh, yes. Show me your bathing suit.
No. Alright, let's go do something. I want to see this. Oh, we got 5 more seconds till it's 10 minutes. And cut.
Watching.
She likes the shade. I told Dad to get her an outdoor bed that's those ones that are weatherproof and elevated, and you know what I'm talking about?
Yes, we had those at the daycare.
Yeah.
They have these ones that were made out of PVC.
What's that?
Are the pipes that are in your bathroom, the plastic pipes. The plastic white plumbing pipes.
Interesting.
You know what those are? Smiles until you change the topic.
Better get some sun. I feel like I'm losing my tan.
Me too. We'll lose it just in time to...
What are you licking off the table? We're seeing Journey and Def Leppard and Steve Miller Band at Comerica Park.
Yes.
And we're going to see Creed and Stained and Daughtry at Pine Knob.
Three Doors Down. And Tonic.
I don't know Tonic.
They have 2 radio hits, I think. This will be my 4th time seeing Journey. My favorite band ever.
Ever, forever,
Yes,
ever.
And Def Leppard's one of my favorite live bands.
You seen them live too?
Yes.
Actually, I knew that.
Yeah, I saw them with Tesla and Styx. Signs, signs everywhere, signs.
What, did you drop a toy down there?
Did she?
I don't know. She's looking at it like she did. It's just a shame.
No.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna convert to lesbianism.
Okay. I support you.
You know, kids in California are actually gay.
There's kids that are actually gay in California. Like, actually.
We're making fun of Abby's neighbors the other night. Saying weird things about California and gay people.
He has a husband? How is that possible?
How is that possible? Never heard of anal sex.
Never heard of swapping. What is it? Sword fighting?
That's exactly what I'd be doing if I was a man.
I'd be pissing. We would be pissing and sword fighting.
Let me hold your wiener while you pee and you hold mine.
Come swimming with us. Can see my boobs. Yellow noodles only, first of all.
Oh.
Second, one between the legs. Like this.
Like a banana. Higher in the back.
And then the other one goes like this.
And then you have a giant yellow wiener.
I want it. There.
This is my setup.
Okay.
One under the gullet, one above the tops.
One under, like, between belly and gooch.
Yeah, between
Cooch?
belly and fupa.
Oh, fupa.
Gooch is,
There's a man part.
yeah, it's like behind the balls. I definitely don't have a gooch.
I know, I meant cooch.
Don't make
With
me
a
show them my crotch.
Yeah, you're a good kid. Wait, let's see. Okay, did you do something weird?
Yeah, I poked my butt out.
Do something weird. You probably can't see it anyway.
I hope you can. You might.
Oh, it's a goose. Or a gander.
What the fuck was that?
A goose or a gander.
That was like a black duck.
No, it was a goose.
A black goose?
Are you racist?
It didn't look Canadian. It looked African.
She's being racist.
Just because you asked me if I
Here,
was.
your turn to hold this. So we're swimming. This is what we do when we go swimming. It's float on noodles. We're hook her up, Buttercup. You think you're so funny. You think you're so funny.
It's not. You waterproof microphones. You know that kids in California are actually gay? Heard it from the neighbors.
Did you know there's kids in
Heard it next
California?
door first.
There's kids in California that are gay. Actually.
I know somebody that converted to lesbianism.
I know somebody that converted to lesbianism. Her name's Katrina. And she's a lesbian. Definitely got that on camera. I'm going to blur that out. That was the gooch. You're like, don't make me show them my gooch.
Oops, my gooch.
My gooch slipped out.
It's slippery.
We're in water.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what it does. Could you see me under there? Could you see me? Let me know right now. Tell me right now. Underwater. I wonder if you can see it or not.
Is this?
Pug?
Yeah, it was a brachiocephalic.
Okay.
For a moment.
I'm swimming away from that comment. Swimming away from it. I'm swimming away. Let's go to where we can't touch and come back.
Swimming with no arms.
I've never swam with my arms. Did I ever tell you that? Oh, I didn't realize you could swim with your arms too until I was like too old. And she was like, yeah, I know. I always thought you swam weird. I never used my arms. So now it's like I automatically don't use my arms. All legs, baby. All legs in this house.
I was a swimmer for a year.
So Katrina knows how to use her arms.
This body's not very aerodynamic.
This body. Okay, I don't like muck. We'll immediately turn back around. Immediately retreat.
Retreat.
Do you think boats have insurance?
Definitely.
Comment down below.
They definitely do. Especially kayaks don't have insurance.
Gooch Brucey. It's funny looking from the back, but it's comfy, isn't it? And your butt matches the drapes. The curtains match the drapes.
The flaps match the drapes.
I've lost my balance. Is it correct? What is it?
The video's probably gonna be just looking at it.
Because it's growing. It was a tiny little spot at first.
It's like definitely getting water in there somewhere.
What?
I love it on your hair.
Oh, you're so smart. It got smaller. It's getting smaller. It's getting smaller. Good job. You're so smart.
Imagine if someone broke up with their... Oh, you're too wet.
You get too wet when we have sex. I'd be like, what?
You enjoy it too much.
You get too horned up. You get too wet. And it always slips out. I think I'm ready to kick it. Yeah, you can take this one. My pants are gonna fall off.
Thank you. It's so kind of you.
My pants are still on. Whoa! I'm very less buoyant now.
Thank you.
It was like stuck between my cooters. My cooches.
Look at this setup.
Okay, watch out for the gooch though. We're gonna have to blur it. If when you need to tan your buns. That's not gonna work, huh?
You touching me now? She doesn't have bugs in her bathroom.
Okay, here we go. My belly's already out.
Okay. Wow! Wow! Look at these cool people.
Me?
No, there's
Dude, this is so much more comfortable than the noodles.
They have a dock. They can walk out to it. What's stopping them?
From taking their boat out.
Yeah.
Probably can't afford gas. Have the fancy house, have the fancy boat. Can't buy gas for your car or your boat.
Get an electric car.
Living paycheck to paycheck.
Worth it. It's the American dream.
Yeah.
Manifest Destiny wanted
And
us
then
to live
for-
paycheck to paycheck.
For 4th of July, they have to work holidays to get the holiday pay. So that they can have $20 to buy Costco hot dogs. Stop pulling me. Pull me harder. Harder. Harder.
Harder, better, faster, stronger. That's what I want.
Woo! These waves are fun.
Harder, better, faster, stronger.
Dude, this floaty just changed my life. I'm about to be out here every day on this thing. We're innocent.
Yeah. I've never fucked a Shrek.
What? Yeah. This is fun. This is so comfy too. Okay, say bye for a minute.
Bye for a minute.
Is it?
Yeah, my belly only. If I was skinny, I could never do this.
Yeah.
Apparently I am skinny.
You are skinny.
Skinny legend.
Skinny legend. That's why you went. That's what the universe had to say today. They were like, you can go see him because he's going to tell you you're skinny.
That's all the universe wanted me to know.
Yeah.
That I'm losing weight.
Yeah, and that you're skinny.
I'm trying to unlock a new noodle here.
Come on.
See, I'm
Oh my
noodled
God,
up
your
like
boobs.
this. What about it?
They're about to fall out. I'm just letting you know. What are you doing?
New noodles unlocked.
One on the right and one on the left?
Yeah, I'm trying to put it in like.
I can't even see because I'm over here. I can pee in this thing, right?
Yeah, it's got a mesh bottom.
I can pee in this thing. I'm gonna pee. Okay, don't watch.
That noodling was not unlocked.
Oh, it's still locked. You haven't leveled up enough.
Staying locked and loaded.
Okay, I'm gonna get this piss out of this thing. Let's talk about something interesting.
Let's talk about sex, baby.
Okay.
Let's talk about you and me.
Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that may be. Let's talk about sex.
Baby.
Okay, let's talk about it. Pubes. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Huge yes on the pubes.
I can't see. God damn it. Was that your mouth? Shut up! You know you're fucking lying! I thought that was you were blowing on the fucking noodle.
Going into the muck.
Me?
Yeah, look at all this muck.
Oh my God, can you move me?
Muck.
A muck. Here, I'll pull it closer so you don't have to get in the muck.
I wish I could be topless out here. That would be the only thing that would get better. Do you think they would call the cops on you?
What? She's growling at you?
She gave me a look. I shall respect you, mother.
Those are like babies for...
Yeah.
They usually come in like May.
They're already grown by now.
Yeah.
All the Canadian geeses are full-sized.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
What?
Bye.
What do you mean bye?
I don't want the muck.
Oh, we're saying goodbye to the muck?
Yeah.
Or me?
You're in the muck. Let's answer all your questions.
Am I in the muck?
Yeah.
Wait, come and get me.
No, because I would have to get in the muck.
Don't put me on the wall. Please.
Put you in the wall?
No. Just throw me that way.
That way towards the muck.
Oh.
Then get out of the muck.
Out of the muck.
Because your father's not here to rescue you.
I know. That's annoying.
I'll do aerobics.
Okay, do an aerobics show. The breaststroke. Left stroke. Switch down up my pole.
Left stroke. Right stroke.
Okay, show it off. Show us what you got. Say bye.
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 It wasn't that bad. Amazing.
My boobs are still in.
Amazing.